scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Constant velocity is the whole game here. If nothing speeds up or slows down, the net force story gets simple fast. Okay, start with the key clue. All 3 blocks slide with constant velocity, which means their motion is not changing, so their acceleration is 0 on every ramp, no matter the steepness. Now use Newton's second law. Net force equals mass times acceleration. And since the acceleration is 0 for each block, the net force on each one must also be 0. That means none has a greater net force than another, because every block's net force is 0, so they all match. And that's the finish. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Trap, rushing to pick the steepest ramp. Rule, trust the given constant velocity, then check the steps.